Off the southwestern coast of Japan, submerged beneath the clear turquoise waters near Yonaguni Island, lies one of the world's most intriguing underwater mysteries, the Yonaguni Monument. Discovered in 1986 by local diver Kihachiro Aratake, this remarkable underwater formation has sparked global interest and controversy. Its sharply defined structures and geometric precision have led many to speculate that it could be the remains of an ancient lost civilization, while others maintain that it is simply an extraordinary natural geological formation. Discovery and initial reactions. When Aratake first stumbled upon the monument while diving off Yonaguni Island, he encountered an enormous stepped platform with terraces, perfectly straight edges, and sharp angles unlike anything typically observed in natural formations. Immediately realizing its uniqueness, he alerted researchers, archaeologists, and marine geologists, igniting an intense debate within the scientific community. News of the discovery rapidly spread, drawing interest from across the world. Description of the monument, the Yonaguni Monument, is massive, extending roughly 150 meters in length and 40 meters wide, with its highest point rising approximately 27 meters from the ocean floor. Its structural features include a large rectangular platform, stair-like terraces, parallel channels, perpendicular ledges, and even what appear to be carved columns or pillars. Particularly striking is the symmetry and alignment of many features, which supporters argue strongly suggest human intervention. Among the most controversial features is the presence of what appears to be a carved stone resembling a human face, as well as triangular indentations, sharp right angles, and rounded holes, possibly indicating areas designed for drainage or ceremonial use. Such characteristics fuel claims that the site is anthropogenic, human-made, potentially part of an ancient city or ceremonial complex. Arguments supporting the man-made theory. Proponents of the idea that the Yonaguni Monument represents the remains of an ancient civilization point primarily to the precision, regularity, and complexity of the site's geometry. Masaki Kimura, a marine geologist from the University of the Ryukyus and the site's leading advocate, argues that natural erosion or tectonic activities could not have created such intricate regular patterns. Kimura suggests that the monument dates back at least 5,000 to 10,000 years, potentially placing it during the last ice age when the area would have been above sea level. Additional support comes from comparisons with confirmed ancient structures found in other parts of the world, such as the stepped pyramids of Mesoamerica and the terraced structures of ancient Mediterranean and Asian civilizations. The possibility of such parallels supports the hypothesis of a highly developed prehistoric civilization that may have flourished in what is now underwater territory. Geological and natural formation arguments. Despite compelling evidence presented by advocates, the majority of marine geologists and archaeologists remain skeptical, believing that the monument structures result from natural geological processes. Skeptics propose that tectonic activity, erosion patterns, and marine currents could have formed these features over thousands of years. Geologist Robert Schoch, who extensively studied the monument, argues that while the structure is visually striking, It aligns closely with naturally occurring geological patterns observed elsewhere on Earth. He points out the regular joint and fracture patterns found in sedimentary rock formations, suggesting that the straight edges and angular terraces might be exaggerated by selective viewing or wishful interpretation. Historical and cultural context. Whether human-made or natural, the Yonaguni Monument holds significant cultural and historical value for Japan. It is situated near the Ryukyu Islands, an area historically rich with tales of ancient civilizations, sunken lands, and mystical folklore. Local legends speak of the mythical continent of Mu, a lost land supposedly submerged thousands of years ago. Proponents of the artificial origin theory often connect these local myths to the monument, speculating it might represent remnants of a civilization linked to these ancient narratives. Furthermore, historical records from various cultures indicate rising sea levels during the end of the last ice age, approximately 10,000 years ago. During that period, large portions of what is now seabed would have been coastal or inland territory. Supporters of the artificial theory argue that an ancient civilization might have thrived in such territories before gradually submerging beneath rising waters. Ongoing research and exploration since its discovery, the Yonaguni Monument has become a hotspot for divers, researchers, and television documentaries aiming to unravel its mystery. Various expeditions using advanced underwater technology and geological analyses have attempted to determine its origins conclusively. However, due to strong ocean currents, diving and investigation are often challenging, limiting extended studies and complicating efforts to gather comprehensive data. Japanese authorities, recognizing the site's global interest, have encouraged scientific and tourist explorations while advocating caution to preserve its integrity. The monument's ambiguity contributes significantly to its allure, making it both an important cultural asset and a fascinating enigma that continues to inspire debate and intrigue. Conclusion: a lasting enigma. The Yonaguni Monument exemplifies humanity's enduring fascination with mysteries and the unknown past. Whether the monument is ultimately proven to be natural or artificial, its striking presence beneath the waves challenges existing narratives of human history and geological phenomena. It prompts profound questions regarding prehistoric civilizations, the capabilities of early humans, and our planet's geological dynamics. Regardless of the debate's outcome, the Yonaguni Monument remains a testament to Earth's capacity to surprise and confound. As research progresses and technology advances, perhaps the monument's true origin will be uncovered. Until then, the underwater Yonaguni Monument endures as a captivating and enigmatic reminder of our complex and often mysterious past.